we died again, but now we have enough to... Oh, my dogs are barking. Got it. I cannot catch a break. I don't look like a nana though. I don't know if I'm gonna look like a nana or not. We'll see. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a spring get ready with me type of video. Obviously we're still in quarantine, so I'm not going anywhere, but I just want to show you guys a cute little outfit that I put together and some really simple makeup that will be cute when we actually do get out of quarantine. It's going to be hair, makeup, and outfit. I've been sitting around in pajamas and sweatpants for like 2 months, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and turn on post notifications, because since I got lots of free time, plus I'm about to be done with finals at school, I'm gonna have videos, okay? And I'm trying to really get myself together because YouTube is so fun and I just be sucking at it. Anyway, without further ado, let's go right into the video. We're going to be doing makeup first, then we'll do hair, and then outfit slash outfit of the day type deal. Let's get into the video. Okay, so we are basically done for the most part. That was the last thing that we're gonna do was just lips, and that is gonna also be the same thing as my last makeup video. We're gonna be putting the Sephora Collection Lipstick on. That is in the shade But First Coffee. But I only dab it on there. I don't like put like a lot. So it gives me a brown tint. And we're gonna put some gloss over it. Like so, and this is pretty much the whole thing. I think that the orange eyeliner actually came out pretty okay. This is my first time doing that. and it actually doesn't look like crazy, so I'm satisfied. We're now gonna move on to the hair. My camera is close to dying, so we're gonna try to speed through the rest of it so we can get some juice. It's on 18%, so we're just gonna go until it dies. So the hairstyle that I'm gonna do today is really easy. This is like week-old wash and go hair right now, and we're gonna try to finesse a cute style out of it. I'm gonna go put a jacket on because I'm cold. I'll be right back. Here. Okay. So we're gonna be doing like a slick in the front, out in the back, put a little scarfy thing on type of mixture. So we're gonna start by parting my hair, because where is that comb? Oh my gosh. We're gonna use my finger. We're gonna part this up the middle. It doesn't really need to be a perfect part because it's gonna be covered by the scarf. And that looks bad. That's good enough for now. What I'm gonna do is section off the front of my hair, just like a little piece, because that is what we're gonna need to pin down in order to make the front more slick, and then the back is just gonna be out. So I separated those two. I'm gonna pull them forward a little bit. I'm gonna take my spray bottle, it's just water in here, and I'm just gonna spray the back of my hair. Just till it's like damp. And I'm gonna pull it down because it pretty much still has the curls in there because I washed it not too long ago, like I said. And we're gonna try to salvage those curls. And then we're gonna take I'm just gonna take a scrunchie and I'm gonna pull it back to keep it out of the way and to try to stretch it out a little bit. Okay, so with the front now, we're gonna spray that as well, but mostly just the top. Focus on the top and like right by the edges, because that's like the important spots. Okay, I'm gonna take this comb brush and I'm just gonna literally comb through the top of it. I don't want to get the bottom of my hair because that's going to be like shown in the back for the curls. So you really just want the top layer of it. And when it starts to actually do the shape that you want, you're going to need some gel. I'm going to use this Eco Styler gel. It's just a regular olive oil kind. And I'm just going to take some of it on my finger. And then literally put it right where you were brushing. If this camera frame is in a different spot, I'm sorry, my camera died, of course. You just put the gel on it, and now I'm gonna take a regular, like, I don't say bristle brush, but you can take a regular brush and then just brush it down. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to take some just regular black bobby pins, and I'm going to start pinning down the sides, just because it'll be easier for the scarf to lay down on top of it if it's already down, like pinned. So we died again, but basically I just finished up putting the bobby pins in, and now we're gonna do the edges, and then we're gonna actually take this back out. But yeah, so we're gonna do our edges, and then we're gonna put the scarf on there. This is the one that I'm using. It's like a, I don't know, I got it from some beauty supply store. It was really cheap, but it has like these stripes on it, and it's shiny orange to match the eyeshadow and my shirt. And I'm just gonna fold it 2 times and put it on there, do my edges. I also use the Eco Styling Gel for my edges as well, so I'm just gonna do those really quick. I'm just gonna put a lot of this like around the edges and then shape them. It's weird because my front edges over here don't go this way. Like this part goes that way, and then the bottom ones go the other way. So I always have to, when I do slick hairstyles like this, it's a little bit harder for me. I'm gonna fold it twice like this, and I'm gonna put it on. Probably should have did it the other way, but I might just tie it in the back the one time. I don't look like a Nana though. I don't know if I'm gonna look like a Nana or not. We'll see. But we're gonna tie her up. And now to like finish off the rest of my hair, we're gonna spray it some more, because we're gonna try to blend in the parts that we pulled. So, and this is pretty much the finished look. We can now move on to my outfit. I'm just gonna do a little like OOTD for the outfit portion. Yeah, so this is like a first for me. I've never done like eye makeup like this, and I've also never done this hairstyle, oddly enough, and I think it's cute. So we're gonna put on clothes now. So that is all for this video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. As you can see, no scarf. Felt like I looked like a Nana, so I took it off, and I like this a lot better now. Make sure that you guys hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you turn on my post notifications. Ignore the dogs barking in the background, okay? Also, make sure that you follow me on all of my social media. That will be in the end screen, also in the description box down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.